What's up, YouTube? Vengeful Sorrow here once again, and today got myself a peace tea. Now, today is a very special day. Well, it's New Year's Eve for one, but it's also the 6-month anniversary that I've been making drinking videos on YouTube. And what a thrill it has been. So, this peace tea is going to be my celebration for both of those events. So, let's get started. Oh, before I get started, this thing's 99 cents. Shit's cheaper than water. So let's really get started. Now this thing... Whew. There we go. I chose peace tea because I hope it symbolizes peace for the upcoming year. Hope we all can have a good time. So, on your mark, get set, Vengeful Sorrow. That's all, folks. Woo! Alright. Where's the empty can? Right there. Well, it seems like a fitting close to this year. So, as always, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next year.